Don't give me an egg. He only eats hot dogs and fried chicken legs.
Tim no want no body food.
One day Timmy was feeling...
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Back to basic, reacting to adult story, children's story, whatever you want to call it. This one is funny, at the same time interesting. If you're lacking confident, grow up here. Women can grow up here too. You know, it's all about being confident. Please remember to like this video, share this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Help me grow the channel. Now enjoy the story.
Story Time with Tomfoolery presents
Another one.
Grow a Pear Timmy. Timmy's so scared of trying new things. You wouldn't believe all the trouble that brings. He'd like to go play with other young boys. But what if they want me to play with new toys? He has only one shirt he wears every day. It used to be white, but now it is grey.
Damn.
At breakfast, he says, "Don't give me an egg." He only eats hot dogs and fried chicken legs.
Tim no want no body food.
One day, Timmy was feeling real bad when in walked his dad, saying, "Why are you sad?" "I can't seem to do anything that is new. It makes me so scared. What should I do?"
Poor Timmy
thought
Turner.
Dad, while scratching his hair. "Here's an idea. Grow a pear." "Okay," Timmy said. "I'm feeling confused. But that's what you want. So that's what I'll do." So off Timmy went to find a pear seed. "There's one in the trash that is just right for me." He cared for the seed and watched as it grew. And growing a pear grew his confidence too. It stays in his pocket, protected from ants. Now Timmy feels brave with a pear in his pants. He replaced the grey shirt he once thought was best. He makes bold fashion choices, like this black leather
Boy,
vest.
Timmy know, you know.
He plays with new toys whenever he can. He says, "Growing a pear has made me a man."
What?
At breakfast, he says, "I would like an egg."
Timmy love
He
body
follows
food
it up
now.
with, "You heard what I said." So if you're afraid to try something new, like eat a potato or wear cowboy boots, remember that Timmy felt just like you do. Then he grew a pear. And so can you.
Grow some balls, my mom would say.
Grow a Pear Timmy.
Yo.
Written by Ken
these
Williams.
stories are something.
Narrated by Tomfoolery.
Yeah, my peeps, I hope you enjoyed that one. Hope you got a laugh just like I did when I first listened to it. Grow up here. It means basically be confident in yourself, you know? Grow some balls. Women can grow balls too, which means get confident, you know? Please share the video, like it, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.